From Nelspet, a city of South Africa. As we all know that our president Cyril Ramaphosa, he decided to shut down this country for 21 days. So we all know from tomorrow we're going to lock down for 21 days. So as we can see, there is a long lines for people to buy food for grocery. They can buy all the food so they can stay at home. So let's ask the people what they think about this coronavirus and about this shutdown. So what do you think about this coronavirus and this shutdown which our president decided us to stay home for 21 days?
My opinion is it's the president made a good call about the shutdown, just to keep precaution but honestly it's not working out for us. Like you can see the lines are so long, but I think it was a good move, a good decision.
So are you people going to buy food for 21 days so you can stay home and you can stay safe?
We have to buy food for 21 days so that we can keep safe.
So you think it's a good idea for him to stay us at home?
I think it was a good idea for him to make that decision for the lockdown.
All right. Thank you very much. Mama, how are you?
Fine, and you?
So Mama, what you think about this shutdown for 21 days and this coronavirus, and how do you think it's going to work?
It's going to work because now they want to make look some cure, how to cure it, and they want people to be safe. That's why they say they must be indoors to avoid the spread of that virus, because no one knows how it comes.
Yeah, so you think it's a good idea, we must stay home, we must stay safe?
Yeah, we must stay home and stay safe.
All right. Thank you, Mama. Thank you very much.
Avoid the spread of it.
No problem. Thank you, Mama.
Yeah.
Our president, he decided to shut this country for 21 days, but we can still see there's a lot of peoples in this mall. They came to buy food because shutdown will be start from tomorrow. So as we can see, there is a lot of peoples in this mall. They came to buy food, they came to buy their grocery stuff. So let us ask about this gentleman what he think about this coronavirus and shutdown for 21 days.
I think we will be safe and protected because this thing killed too much people.
So you think our president, he decide good for us? We have to stay home. We have to stay home so we can stay safe.
Yes, I think so.
All right. So you can see there is a lot of people in this mall. They're buying food. They're buying grocery. So they're not scared about corona because we have no idea how many people will be affected, and we like walking freely, like we don't care about this thing.
They're scared about the days because they say Friday they're shutting down in 21 days, but we must get food to at home.
All right.
Stay at home.
All right. Thank you very much.
Okay.
So now I came to ask one of my friend from Nelspet. He also got business here. So I'm going to ask him, as we know we're going to shut down for 21 days. We're going to close our shops. So let me ask him what he think. Is it a good idea or is it going to affect our business?
Yeah, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Yeah, I want to tell is affect our business because it's 21 days. It's not a short days to close our business. So it's a long period. But our president in South Africa, take the good decision to close all South Africa to lock down to save people because he thinking about the people. People stay home, so he gonna be safe. So it's 20 days. I know it's too much, but I appeal to all Pakistani peoples. You must stay home because if you have life, you can make business next time even. Maybe because we believe whatever we get is come from the Allah. Okay. Yes. So I appeal to all Pakistani. You can stay home. Business it doesn't matter because if we have life, we're gonna make more business. So I just have my opinion like this. So it is a good decision. So you can stay home and save your life.
Thank you very much. As our another Pakistani, he said it's a good idea because we have to save our life. If we have good health, we have good life, we can still continue the business.
One, I want to give the message in Urdu from all my Pakistani, because we believe जो हमारे नसीब में होता है हमें वही मिलता है. तो अगर हम अपना बिज़नेस बंद भी करें तो इसमें से हो सकता है वो नसीब हमारे नसीब में ना हो, और जब हम खोलें तो हो सकता है अल्लाह ताला हमें उससे डबल दे दे. तो इतने साल 10 साल 20 साल हो गए हम इधर आए हैं कमाई करते हुए, आज तक पूरी नहीं पड़ी. तो 21 दिन भी बंद करिएगा तभी नहीं पूरी करनी, और ना भी हो तो तब भी नहीं. तो प्लीज़ अपनी लाइफ बचाएं, अपने आप को सेव करें, और अगर जान है तो जहान है. थैंक यू.
Thank you very much. So we have to stay home, we have to stay safe, because this is for our health, for our good life. Thank you very much. So my friend, as you know, our President Cyril Ramaphosa, he said we must stay home for 21 days. So what do you think about this coronavirus and about this shutdown?
It's because of the coronavirus. It's going to be as the community. The reason why we say you must stay home because of this coronavirus. If they walk around on the street, you can maybe someone is sick on the street. When they touch you, they come cause the coronavirus.
So most of people, they said it's a good idea. It's for our good health. We will stay home. We will stay safe. So you also think is a good, and people, as we can see, a lot of people they are in lines, and we have no idea one of them can have a corona and it can affect all of us. So as we can see, there is long lines. So what you think, is it a good way to buy the food and stuff? People must keep the distance, but they busy in lines, and they don't care about this corona.
People they care of corona because of now they buy the food and go home to stay and to be safe for until the 21 days. The reason why they stay because of this coronavirus is this is serious. Some of the sicknesses in South Africa we just ignore it because it's not serious. But this coronavirus is very serious. Let us take this serious and be safe at home. Today we buy the food and we go home and stay to be safe.
All right. Thank you very much.
First of all, I think this is the best idea because all over the world this disease is give too much problem everywhere. So even we see at Pakistan is too much cases is registered, and even South Africa every day is growing up. So that is Cyril Ramaphosa, he take very good decision to make lockdown, and even he affect all businesses, but first is everyone is know first is a life. If life is a safe, so everything is gonna be make businesses make again. If so we need to fight with that with the together. So I think this is a good idea, but even people need to take seriously this thing, then we gonna lock these things. Just lockdown is not enough. Even people need to take safety positions and wash hand. What doctors say is 20 seconds minimum you wash with soap.
So as Mr. Tamur said, we have to stay home, we have to stay safe, because our life is always first to us. So it is a good idea for us to stay home. We don't need to care about business. Business is something we can still continue, but life, we have to make sure our life is safe. So please, all of us have to request all the Pakistanis, they must stay home, they must stay safe, because if we stay home, Africa will stay safe. Stay home, stay safe, Africa. Thank you very much.